Well, hello everybody. Tony and Peggy here from Stressless Camping, and we are sheltering in place.
We are.
Yeah, we don't.
Sadly enough.
Yeah, we don't get to go anywhere. We're supposed to be at the FMCA rally this week, and unfortunately, it had to be canceled due to all the crazy stuff that's going on. But
those interesting times.
Yeah, right. May you live in interesting times. But very quickly, we wanted to tell you about our latest podcast episode, number 39. It's got two really great guests, in my opinion. The first is Woody Faircloth, and Woody has donated, with his daughter Luna, 80 RVs to the people of the city of Paradise, who basically the entire town burned down. And he's been helping people find shelter in the form of RVs.
Right.
And so that's the first interview you're going to want to hear. And then
we also have an interview with Patrick Hardy.
Yes.
Who has an app called Disaster Hawk. It's a disaster preparation tool, preparedness tool. And that interview with him is super interesting, and you can download the app now and use it to prepare your disaster plan.
Yeah, so really great interview. And then we have the list.
The list. Bum, bum, bum.
And this week's the list are 10 different breads you can make in your RV with your cast iron skillet. And
here's number one.
Yeah, absolutely. We have one right here.
I made some Irish soda bread today.
Yeah.
I didn't put raisins in it because Tony's not a fan of raisins.
No.
But Irish soda bread.
Mm-hmm. And in another episode, we went to Calico Ghost Town, and we got two different sodas. We had opened one of them on the podcast, but we never opened this one.
I think the one we drank was the bacon flavored.
Yeah, bacon soda.
And so now we have peanut butter and jelly soda that we're going to try.
Yeah, and so we'll harken back and put a link to that episode. But let's see what peanut butter and jelly soda tastes like. It smells like sugar.
But it tastes like sugar. Oh, he's impressed. Tastes like sugar.
Yeah. There you go. Well, come join us on the podcast.
I guess we should either drink more sodas or not taste test sodas. Because they just all taste like sugar.
Sodas are not, we don't really drink that many unless they're barley sodas. So, well, come join us on the podcast. Thank you very much. And, happy camping.